Okay, so registry editor actually, sorry, why it is open? Okay, so it store all information, hardware information, operating system information, and application information. Okay, so your file system related information, everything stores in registry. It maintain in a particular order. User information, user application information also stores in registry. That is a very simple one. Okay, next, what is the use of this registry? When you start your PC and where it is located, where is this particular application is located, how to open that application. For example, if I open notepad, the notepad open in the particular size, how it will open, so that is also it is given. And already I explained. So if you are open as some application, you double click on it, how to open the remaining things, or you open a document, how application, how document knows, or how system knows open with a particular one, like you are open with a PDF. So how your system knows open with which application it open the PDF document, or you open a doc or txt or rtf. So how system understand open, so that is one thing. Second, application locations. So you install an application, it will located in a different places. So in any Windows application, so it stores in a program file x86, and also already I told user, see users, username, and under that one app data, program data, like that. It is storing in a different places, right? How our system knows where is the application store, how to install, version, licensed one, trial versions, demo versions, licensed versions. Okay, like that. So I install a app version 4, and after installation I install a version 3. Most of the time it said already newer version is available, so you cannot install the lower version. How it will understand? Because of in registry already newer version key is there, you may not uninstall the lower version. Okay, so like that. For example, you install a demo version, trial period is completed. Now you are uninstall the application and you install it again it will tell no, it is a trial version only. Okay, you have to genuine installation full version, you have to install it. So trial and trial it will cannot explain. For example, some application is there, it is a 14 days trial version. After 14 days you uninstall application and reinstall it, it means again you will get a 14 days, right? But you may not get it. He said it will say, no, it is already your trial version is finished, possible. For example, earlier days, what we do, after 14 days, once I reach 10th day, I uninstall application, I install a new application, I install it again. So I will get another 14 days. So I can use it. So freely I keep on using the trial versions only. So the programming people change the things, like it will fix the dates. It is run with the clock. What it is happen, after 10 days you uninstall the application, then you install the application. So expectation is next 14 days today, after 10th you uninstall it and install it again, 14 days you will get it, right? But it will show only 4 days left for a trial version. How it is possible? The registry stores information even if you are uninstall it, so it will come up. Okay, another one is usual matter I will okay, usually if whenever you uninstall any application, okay, whenever you uninstall any application, okay, whenever you uninstall an application, better to restart your PC, then only you can install. Like you want to uninstall an application and you want to install it, so you uninstall application and you want to install it, then what to do? better to restart then install. Okay, better to restart then install application. Same application only. Like I have a VMware workstation. 16 version is there. Now I want to uninstall it. Then I will install it. So better uninstall it, restart the PC, and install it. So that is the correct way. That is the correct way. Any application issues or key issues, license issues, you want to uninstall it and install it. Better to do like this one. Um, and I will give you some maintenance also in the recording install. So I install an application. I uninstall an application. After uninstallation, okay, or remove the required data and all. After uninstallation, what I do? So I will go to in general. So how I maintain my PC. That's what I'm saying. I have a CC cleaner. This is a CC cleaner. I've opened my CC cleaner. It is a old one. That's why it is asking a key. This is a CC cleaner. Little waddle. Okay. This is registry. This is registry. Okay. So what I do in generally, so update free version something is showing, right? No, I don't. So scan for issues. So when I click on a scan for issue, it contains so many issues. It is keep on going because of when I uninstall some application or some after upgradation. When you are using a system for longer period of time, even though you are restart the PC, these broken registry files or application related things won't be clear from the PC. Okay, unused links. Okay, even if you are uninstalled, restarted, it won't remove from the PC. So what you have to do, better you can use CC cleaner. Just it is an idea only. You can use anything, but I am using CC cleaner. Okay, so see there are a lot of application came up, and just scan it your registry and fix the related issues. So one idea in a registries. Of course, you can troubleshoot using a registry also. For example, you are used. For example, you used a trial version earlier. Now you are using a full version, but still it is showing as a trial version only. See, this is accidentally removed, but it's still showing. Okay. Um, so what happened here? It is. See, these are the paths. I removed it, but still it is there. The path is already there, but actual application is uninstalled. Okay, so here it is. What I'm telling, you install a trial version and then you install a full version. You uninstall the trial version, you install a full version. Still, it is showing a trial version, license issues, like that. So that time, people go to registry and troubleshoot from the registry. Means they will adjust something in the registry also. Okay, that is in a deep part. Okay, how to go through the how to open registry, they get it, but how to modify something in a registry, that is in a deep part. Like what you change, you must change it, restart it, and verify if something is goes wrong, then you have to change it back. That is one. Another one is you can take a backup of registry. Okay, better to take a backup of registry. How to do it? Go to file, registry editor, go to file, export your registry and save it in some location. And if you want to change anything, you can change it, restart it, and check it if it is working or not. And if something is goes wrong, you can import the registry. You can import the registry. That's it. So fix issues. Now it is asking, do you want to back up the registry? Yes means you can take the backup. No means no backup. No is always risky. Better to take the backup. But I'm going no. But 100 issues are there. fix all the issues. Now fixing completed. So it may reduce the certain problems in your PC. Already custom cleaning part, already know analyzing, cleaning and all. So I put a check marks to clean up, so then it is better for me to clean the thing. Just I'm click on analyze, but I don't clean. So I'm keep on recording as the log files are so many things are there. So it creates so many things, temporary prefetched data from the browsers, previously accessing kind of stuff. You can do it. Okay. So after you are finished with the registry, better to go with the cleanup wizard. So clean the PC, restart. So then your PC may have a little bit less problems. Okay. The problematic things will be little bit less. So like that you can keep maintaining your system. Some people system getting a slow. So what people are saying like, okay, no problem, you can remove operating system, reinstall the operating system. It is not always a solution. Removing OS and reinstalling OS, it is not always the solution. Okay. Hmm. See here, it is temporary file, dump files and all internet cache files. Okay. It is around 2.5 GB space is there. 2.47 GB disk space should be clean up. That is only few only. But if I put Google Chrome, it definitely more than 5 GB. Okay, but I didn't put a Google Chrome there. I need to save that Google Chrome. Continue. What will happen? Otherwise, you can do another thing. Disk cleanup wizard. You can follow the disk cleanup wizard. It will clean clearly. Okay. If you don't want to use a third-party application like CC Cleaner, so you can use directly a disk cleanup wizard. That is also reduce lot of problems. I will tell one more point regarding registry. So let it go on. So complete it. That is Marvin related things are there. Remaining are nothing. This it is clean removed. Okay, so okay. Like if you want to do analyze again, so you can do analyzing and different tools to do different kind of stuff also. You can do. Once you open, it is again in an active condition. Better to exit from the here an action. Okay. Next, I said I will show you another one. This is my Malwarebytes. Okay. So normally when you do cleaning, after that one better to restart your PC and you can start working with your PC. So once clean after cleaning. Okay. Next, you know, people are feel fear about viruses. Virus is nothing but a program, nothing but a program. But it is like a rogue type of program means. So normally how your system is working, the program work in a different way. So it is try to kill your process, or maybe it is slow down your system, or maybe it is try to corrupt your files. So different type of viruses are there. There is a virus called I love you virus. Okay. So earlier days people are using Yahoo chat box. Unlike nowadays, Facebook and all, that time you can chat with anybody. You no need to know the person, no need of email ID, no need of any identification. Just you have to log into your chat box, and there is a different community chat boxes are there. You can go like a science related, or a biology related, or maybe political related, any box you can go. There are a lot of people are there. Select a person, put a message in the box, anybody like available, so they can chat with them. or anybody interested to chat it. But most of the chat is different way. So we put a message like ASL, ASX language, like that. Okay, location. Okay, so they will set always, okay, F only, female. Okay, female. So always age is 20 to 25 age only, not 45 kind of stuff, or 18, 19, 16 type only. Location is always mostly in America. Okay, some are tell India. That's it. Even boy or girl. So they said there are females only. Okay, so boys won't talk. Girls maybe talk. Okay, so like that. So they'll tell. So people chatting, we don't know who is the person there. So suddenly a pop-up will appear that is called I love you. Do you love me? Yes. Then system crash. That is one virus. The pop-up viruses. It shows I love you. Do you love me? You press yes and system will crash. That's a simple virus it is. Okay, so different kind of viruses. Your system never be attacked by anybody until unless you are asking them to come to your place, like opening different websites. Okay, usually illegal websites or pornographic websites or like that kind of too much advertisement kind of websites, duplicate websites. If you open it, non-genuine websites, you open it, so obviously through website you are asking them, unnecessarily clicking on the certain links, playing certain videos. Even for my YouTube also, a lot of people try to attack. So I will show you that. Now I'm not getting from since 2 3 weeks, but so I got lot of, yeah, here it is. You can see in notification. See, here it is. This is, this is, these are all links. People put a comment box. If you click on here, okay, if you click on this one, it will open some different website. Luckily, my Malwarebytes application is there. It is blocking immediately that kind of applications. Okay, except one candidate. I think this candidate. All remaining are these kind of comments only. Immediately I'm deleting that comment because accidentally maybe anyone is open. My nephew is also sometimes he will check the things. Okay, he asked one question, that is from Joel. Man, he's our not our student also. So some people are interested. So there are, okay. So don't click these kind of links. Okay, so that is a very dangerous one. Okay, so like that, or maybe spywares, malware, Trojan. These viruses usually comes with your applications or links or websites, photos, movies, torrents. These things will come into your PC. Okay, and when you install some application and you use a crack key generators, so these malware spywares will be came into your PC. You know where it will store? It stores in your registry only. Okay, it stores in your registry. It hook into registry. Actually it is storing means it hook, hook, hooks to your registry. Why? Because of registry is a very sensitive thing. Registry contain all your information. So once it is hooked to registry, so it can control your PC. It can get any information from your PC, and it will send that information to wherever it is wanted. So it will send the information. Okay. So even myself, I use earlier one system. First time I use Malwarebytes that time. So I found lot of trojans, malwares are there. Okay, so why it is because I keep on downloading things from the torrents. So all these things came into my PC. So I install Malwarebytes and I clean up the PC and working. And a lot of people, sometimes you are trying to install an application, like a VMware you want to install application, it is not able to install. That is one of the problem is the it contains malwares or trojans in your PC. Okay, so the registry, because of it is hooked to registry, it is control your PC, it orchestrate your PC function. Okay, not only a slowdown and all, your system may function good, but still because of these malwares they try to control it is, take the information from your PC. Okay, or use your PC for a certain different process also without it. I've seen that kind of stuff also. Okay. So here it is my malware bytes, delete history, quarantine, real time. Okay, this is a protection. uh, People who have a serious problem, so they can able to cancel this. Okay, who having currently, if anybody having very serious problem because of virus and you feel virus is there, you can download Malwarebytes freely and you can scan it freely. Okay. I will tell what to scan first. Lot of people try to scan entire system and then they said nothing is there. But when you see, go to the scanning, go to advanced scanner, and scanning advanced scanner is quick scan, means scan the basic things. Either you can go to quick scan or custom scan. Go to custom. I don't scan even archives also. Okay, only I will scan registry. If I don't have much time and my PC is a lot of data is there, so better to scan only registry. I don't scan the drives also. I will only scan the registry. Okay, or I will scan only these things. Otherwise remove only registry. So what is the use of scanning registry? So any malwares or trojans are hooked to my registry, then I can able to detect, I can remove it. So that is the main advantage of your malware bytes and the registry. Okay, so if you remove this thing, then system start function normally. Instead of scanning entire system, better to scan at least your registries. Okay, and luckily I got some keys, so I have a that is only for my PC. Luckily I'm using from so many years, so then the keys are working like that only, it is not asking anything, it's become free for me. Okay, one time only I got a problem, that time I uninstalled it, but after 1 year I installed it again. Okay, so freely available, freely also you can able to clean the things. Okay, you clean with the registry, clean your PC. Once working good, always go with the free version only. If you find any keys or you pay amount, so then you can use full version. Don't use trial versions. Malware bytes. Okay, this is about your small part of registry. Registry is nothing but it stores entire your system information: hardware, operating system, application, user, user settings, user information, and user applications settings also there. Okay, so that is really. Next is event viewer. This is another important in your PC. Event viewer, of course, if you are going to ITL and all, events also very important. What is this event viewer? If you do anything in your system, event will be generated. You connected a pen drive, you removed a pen drive, you created a disk, means you stripped a disk, you expand a disk, you format a disk, you create a new file system in the disk, you deleted a disk, or you file system change, like it is in a fat, now it is in NTFS. Anything happens in our system, it create logs. Remember logs. Okay, what is a log? It note down what happens. Sometime good, sometime bad, sometime warning. Already I showed that disk quota, right? The disk quota thing. Now we removed that it. Immediately, if you see, you can see that 2 GB full, that is warning. Okay, user try to create more than that one, error. User is accessing the disk, user accessing the application, someone access your data through network, shared files, shared printers. Okay, someone is successful access, unsuccessful access, login successful, login failure. These are all called logs will be created for each and every situation. The logs we can view from the event viewer. So how to go to event viewer? Eventvwr.msc, Microsoft Console, event viewer. So I'm going with my physical vision, no problem. Different type of events are there. So we'll see that one here. You can read it also, no need to do directly. So you can read from here also. Or you can go to Windows logs. Better to read from here. To view events that occurs on your computer, select appropriate source log or a custom node. Uh, Console tree, administrative events, view, constrain all the contains all the administrative events regardless of source. What is this? Summary of administrative events. It is loading. So this is a custom view. Second one is the custom view means you can view only particular things only. You are keep on doing it. Next one is Windows log. That is very important. Application and service log. This is nothing is there now, but actually should be show because home no, it's not showing any other like a application wise subscriptions, taking lot of time now volume. So here these three are important thing, four are very important: application, security, setup, system. Now it is open, see application and services also. Okay, so in application hardware events, internet explorer, key management services. Okay, Microsoft, TextMate, PowerShell, like that. Windows logs. What is the first one? Application, setup. Last one is system. Of course, there is a forward events also there. Forwarded events also there. That means any events you forward from other to here, either to there. So that is forward events. But first four are important. See, this is information. So one type of is a information. So like restart manager. So you can see, you can. This is error. This is warning. Okay, so you can open successfully scheduled software protection services restart. Okay, rule engine. If you go to this error, what happened? Something got freezed or what? No problem. Hmm. Something happened. Just don't do anything in your physical machine. Close the window. Two people are still in pending. Why it is not running? There's so many things. VMware Sandbox. Who want that one? I think it is closed already. This is functioning in a different way. I have to scan full. Okay, so I'll go to this virtual machine only. What is the command? Eventviewer. Guys, sleeping or what? Not yet.
No, sir.
Okay, so here it's loading. Take time. So here, sorry, not here. Here. Different events will be generated. So like this, um, information, warning, error, like that. Login, success, failure, like that. Critical. See, this is a like here. This is error. Open it. Why it is error? Cryptographic service failed to process something. Add legacy. System error. Access denied. When it is occur 12th, it means today only it is occurred. Okay, like this. So something I try. It is try to access. It is not cooperating. Warning. Okay. It is a warning. You have to read one by one. Security, audit success, audit failure. So you are put a audit like this. Okay, login success, audit failure, like that. You have failed to log in, also it will show audit failure. Account log in to account failed to log in. Student one work pro. This is C1, right? C2 account. This is C2 account. Unable to log in. That is a login failure. So we try to access network access, right? So that is audit failure. This is setup. Setup means your system running related only. Windows Defender client successfully turn off. We turn off it when yesterday. This is related to system. Let system on, system related services. There are function, not function. Service is running, service is stop, service is not running, like that. So that is depends upon it. So search in Google also one by one, find out what are the Windows logs and what is the use of each and every Windows log. So if something is happened to your PC or if something is you change occur, something setting is changed, automatically it shows it will be create logs. So different type of logs are there it in the as per the things. Okay, you can try log like create a partition or install some application, then search here application security system and here, so then you will understand What is the use of log? This is also very important in overall important of things. Event viewer. Okay. Mm, hmm. That's it. I will show you CMDs commands. Um, mm, Programs and files. I already showed certain run commands. I showed some run commands. You can also go with some shortcuts if you know, or you can try.